Controversial take. If you're waiting on a general release of SteamOS before switching to Linux, you're being misled. People act like SteamOS is this magic Linux but easier solution that's going to be the silver bullet that fixes all of the problems with desktop Linux. But here's the situation. Most gamers are using NVIDIA GPUs, and Valve has zero reason to support that. Every device that Valve is going to be shipping has used an AMD CPU, GPU, or APU except the Steam frame. The Steam Deck OLED, and the Steam Machine are all using AMD parts. Valve is not building hardware with NVIDIA parts, so why would they build support for NVIDIA's proprietary driver into their OS when they can't even submit fixes to it if there is a bug in the driver? If there's a bug in Mesa, Valve can either have their own developers submit code and patch it, or pay developers to patch it. If there's a bug in NVIDIA's driver, all Valve can really do is submit a bug report and hope that some NVIDIA employee decides that it's worth fixing. And here's the part that most people forget. A general SteamOS release means that Valve suddenly has to support every random gaming PC on Earth. So that's hundreds of different GPUs, thousands of different motherboards, all with varying BIOS behavior, and all the quirks that come with laptops. All of that suddenly becomes Valve's responsibility, and they obviously do not want that. Right now, they can say, here's a recovery image for our device. If it happens to work on your PC, cool. If not our problem. And that's how Valve wants it. They get all of the benefits of having a distribution made for their devices without the technical support nightmare of becoming a full OS vendor. So if you're waiting on SteamOS to finally come to desktops before switching to Linux, you're waiting on something that Valve has no incentive to actually deliver. So if you're tired of Windows and want to switch to Linux, there are plenty of distributions out there that make things easy for you, like Pika OS, Nabara, CachyOS, Linux Mint, and Fedora. SteamOS isn't coming to save you.